Look at us still posing for the camera.
It's a +1. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I look like this. I just woke up and I have a Zoom meeting. Not really a meeting, it's like an online training that I have to attend. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take you guys along with me throughout the weekend, show you how I spend my weekend and stuff. It's Friday and it's 7 something right now. I'm not really sure, I'm too sleepy and I'm using my phone to shoot. But yeah, this is going to be a weekend vlog sort of. So first things first, need to work, okay? So I'm gonna go attend that meeting. I still have time. I still have like an hour because the meeting is around 8:30. So yeah, I'll see you guys after that. By the way, my camera is going to be off. No one's gonna see me, so this is how I'm gonna attend the meeting. And I'm gonna be on my bed. I'll focus, but yeah, in my comfort zone. So I really love to see it because I could have been at work sitting down. So yeah, I'm gonna go on my bed, use my laptop and do what I gotta do. So I'm so happy that I didn't have to dress up or take a shower this early in the morning. But anyway, see you guys in a bit. Hi guys, it's 8:22 right now and yeah, I'm still here waiting for the meeting to start. I already did everything, like the prep I need, have my book with me and everything. So this is gonna start, do the training, and yeah, get my day going. And after this I will do a skincare video for you guys. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but my skin is not looking good, so I want to exfoliate. So I'm gonna show you how I make, how do you call that, the thing I use to exfoliate, whatever it is. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do that, so stay tuned for that. Hi guys, I just finished my training or whatever, and yeah, it took so long. We started at 8:30 and it's 11 now and we just finished. I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna eat and do my skincare. Then I wanted to go out with my friends, but they're all busy, so yeah, probably just gonna chill at home, do nothing. So I just finished eating. Now I'm gonna exfoliate my face and my entire body. I'm gonna make the coffee scrub. This is honey and coffee and sugar. That's all I use to make my coffee scrub. You can add coconut oil or whatever oil you want. Depends on you. But yeah, this is what I'm using today. Cause stop, you've been annoying. So yes, I'm going to make it and I'll exfoliate my face and my entire body. You can use it on your entire body. I promise you guys should try this because my body feels so soft. So yeah, you guys should try this out and let me know how you like it. Washed my face. Now I'm gonna apply the coffee scrub. This is it. I'm gonna leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes, depends on how much I can tolerate it. But yeah, at least 10 minutes. But I'm gonna go take a shower obviously, so I'll just leave it there and then take care of the rest of my body. And I'll see you guys when I'm done taking a shower. I just finished. Don't look at me vlogging. It gets weird. Guys, I just finished taking a shower. See the difference? I honestly feel a lot better like about my skin every time I do this, so that's why I love doing it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, my skin feels smooth, soft, you know. So like I'm all dressed up and I honestly don't know where to go right now. It's annoying. But I know I'm gonna go to Barcelona right now, but after Barcelona I wanna do something fun. I don't know what to do. I don't really like going out alone. I don't. My sister. We're gonna go to Barcelona. I think I told you guys I wanna go to Barcelona to get something, so I'm gonna go to that and probably go to the mall because I wanna buy something as well. That's the plan for now.
Guys, please subscribe to my channel, Lady Tima.
Go subscribe to her channel, you guys.
She'll put the link in her description box.
Nice food. I keep on telling you guys, go subscribe, stop playing.
Subscribe.
Back home now. I got home so hungry. Some benachin. Guys, I'm gonna eat it now. I don't think I'm gonna vlog again today, but I'll vlog again tomorrow because I'm going out with my friends. We're going to the beach. So I'm gonna vlog that, but for now that's it. That's all I did today. Right now I'm just chilling here with my family, so gonna have some family time and I'll vlog again tomorrow. Bye, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. This is the next day. I'm all dressed up. I'm here waiting for my friends to come get me because we have to go to the beach today. But yeah, I really like my makeup. I want to have bum ass pictures, so I hope I do. Go with Panda and Mariama, so I'm still here waiting for them to come get me. But before that, I'm gonna go to Gambia with my mom and then go to the bank. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. I will probably see you guys when I'm with my friends or at the beach, but I'll see you soon. I just took 90 pictures, and I'm sure I'm not gonna even like all of them. I'll probably like 5 out of 90. That's how picky I am when it comes to pictures. But yeah, let's hope I like that. Hello.
Hi guys.
Hello, don't make it weird. You're being too loud. Jesus.
It's 3,000 of them, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, for the ones in the back, so they can hear me.
Alright, for the ones in the back, he's saying hi. Ooh, it looks so clear.
I know, right?
We just got some drinks. Now we're going. Hi.
I look so tired.
You always do. Always tired, guys.
That's what happens when you're on vacation and you don't sleep.
Yeah.
Bueno,
No sleep.
muy okay, man. Fine, man.
You matter. Okay.
Why you gonna play Mr. Joe? I'm gonna play Justin Bieber. I'll play baby.
Where is this
Say
nigga?
hi to Henry.
Hi?
We're on the way to Sanyang right now. So yeah, we're on the way to Sanyang right now.
Like, you know, by the
You look so cute. Look at you.
Makompo, we kind of blast.
Say she look into my eyes and she sees designer.
Just got to the beach. Hi, friends.
The weather is nice.
Very nice.
Skin is glowing.
You know?
Skin girl.
Look at that. We have some chicken wings here. They smell so good, you guys. I'm only holding it because it smells good. I didn't have breakfast, so I eat anything. And it's 3. I made food and then I forgot it. I don't know why. But I left it there.
What the hell?
Anyway, we're just gonna have fun. Sit by the beach and enjoy the view. The beach is so beautiful, you guys. Like everywhere looks so good. Hey!
Come to Paris. That's what I heard.
But I was holding here. Bro, did you taste yourself?
Almost.
Come demo taste.
Is it painful?
You wanna try it?
No, I just.
It's actually fun.
I think it's like being electrocuted, basically. Second floor.
I think this looks so good.
It's actually a very nice view.
Everything litty, y'all love when it's hot.
I think you want to do me a cup. But what you ask? Yes.
I was gonna pass you the cups. And welcome to my channel.
I make it
Hi.
But I love it.
How would you call your fans?
Like, watching somebody else.
They don't have a name.
The bonbons.
The bonbons, no.
The bunny.
I'm the only bunny here.
The bunny clan.
Bunny clan.
Because I do
Bunny Nation.
How do you call a group of
Bunny
five?
Nation. Bun Nation. Bun Nation.
Ooh, I like Bun Nation. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think. I'm just saying that to
Bun
piss them off.
Nation. Gang, gang, gang. Bun Nation. Gang, gang, gang. You know the fucking vibe. Is this Mariama? Bun Nation.
I really love it here. The beach is so pretty. It's beautiful. The vibe is so right. Like, I'm so happy
Yo, somebody.
that I'm here right now.
It's actually so good.
Hi guys. I think I'm gonna end my vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And bye. I'll see you again in my next video.